Components arrive under ESD control to protect sensitive electronics from damage. Initial scanning establishes full traceability from receipt through final shipment.
Controlled quarantine prevents unapproved materials from entering production.
Stencil printer is online and ready.
Pick and place initialization complete.
Reflow oven stable at set point. We are good to go.
Everything checks out. Looks good for first article.
Perfect. I'll apply the tag.
The approved board becomes the quality reference for the production run.
Uniform solder paste deposition is critical for reliable joints. Inline inspection catches defects before components are placed.
Automated placement ensures precision and repeatability at scale.
Vision verification confirms components are correctly oriented before soldering. Controlled reflow permanently bonds components to the board.
This resistor looks misaligned. Confirmed. Logging the coordinates now.
AOI detects solder and placement defects at high speed. Clear segregation keeps good boards moving and defects controlled.
Controlled rework recovers boards without disrupting main flow.
Re-inspection confirms corrected boards meet quality standards.
Depaneling creates individual boards ready for electrical testing.
Serialization links each motherboard to its test history. Supporting boards complete the laptop's external connectivity.
Secure battery installation is essential for safety and runtime performance.
Electrical checks confirm safe battery integration.
Proper cooling ensures long-term performance and reliability.
Verification confirms efficient heat transfer from the processor. QC gate fits logically after thermal module installation. Input components are installed with precise alignment and connections.
Display inspection prevents cosmetic defects from reaching customers.
Hinges are installed to ensure smooth and durable display movement.
Careful connection protects high-speed display signals. Manual cycling confirms smooth motion without cable strain.
Controlled torque prevents damage and loosening over time.
Power On verifies basic functionality before full testing. Firmware loading prepares the system for functional testing.
Automated tests verify core user functions operate correctly.
Display testing ensures visual performance meets specification.
Audio verification confirms speaker and microphone performance.
Thermal testing confirms cooling reacts correctly under load.
Clear disposition keeps good units moving and isolates issues.
Retesting confirms the issue is fully resolved.
Correct accessories are paired with each unit before packing.
Protective packing prevents transit damage. All required items are secured inside the carton.
Sealing and weighing confirm pack completeness. Final scans ensure the packed unit matches its digital record.
EOL metrics confirm the anomaly in batch 42. We need to isolate the root cause.
Validated learnings are fed back into standardized work.
Replenishment keeps lines ready without disrupting flow.
Look at the efficiency metrics for the robotics over here. They're exceeding the target by 10% this hour.
Parallel.
Packaging waste is segregated for responsible recycling.
Baled cardboard is prepared for certified recycling partners. Controlled disposal prevents contamination and ensures compliance. Consistent pallet loads protect products during transport.
Wrapped pallets are secured and identified for warehousing.
Released pallets are moved into controlled finished goods storage. Location scanning maintains inventory accuracy.
Environmental control protects electronics before shipment.
staging organizes pallets for efficient loading.
Dock equipment ensures safe transfer into transport vehicles.
Securing cargo prevents movement during transportation. Seals protect shipment integrity and traceability.
Reusable pallets are recovered to reduce waste.
Damaged pallets are processed for material recycling.